GWAV stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in a short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Greenwave Technology Solutions, on average, yeah, it's on average just going down. Honestly, I'm not even trying to be rude or anything, but Greenwave Technology stock, it's been like this bearish character for me for quite a long time, and I'm not even trying to be rude or anything. That's just the reality behind it. Like, I actually got a -1R, which is a loss there, trying to take things up, but then since it shifted, I was like, I'm gonna accept it, and I'm more so gonna roll with the punches, right? And then that's when it actually just began going down. I said that if I see a break beneath here, I'm taking things down in a very unlikely way. Like, I just didn't like it. Like, there's nothing for me to trade other than just have like a limit or so. So yeah, I mean, for me to be bullish, to be very frank, the price must break above 81 cents. So we'll most definitely continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.